Okay, hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I scalp my trade. So this is a daily time frame. It's showing the flag thing. Then this is 4-hour time frame. I'm seeing like rally base rally and this push closing. This is possible rejection area. 4-hour. So the blue rectangle is a possible rejection area. If the price came to this area, it should up in 1 hour. Not seeing anything, only rally. Okay, I have rally around it, so you will see this inserting me perfectly. I do have support area around. So this is a support area. There is also support area. There may be possible rejection around here. When we came to 30 minutes, I'm seeing like this trend line. Price may go up, we don't know, or it may break down. So in 30 minutes, I'm seeing bearish. My bias is bearish now. If it breaks, let me pull up. So you all know my strategy, how I'm going to trade. It may go up or it may go down. So it's 15 minutes. Look at in, there may be rejection around here. Okay, I'm seeing that. In 5 minutes, I'm seeing this area. I'm seeing like a resistance, the blue area. Now the price may go to that area if it pull back. So if it breaks, we will go down. If it goes up, we'll go bullish. You see this? I miss it. You see how the price goes? If you see the trend line plus the blue EMA, so price touch both and it's like confluence, so it goes down. price became like this, came up. So patience is a key. So price now also may break up or going to down. So if price broke the trend line, the upper trend line, so we will go buy up to the blue area. Price may go down if you see like this. This is my bias. In 30 minutes, price may go down. But we have to wait for a long time. But my strategy is scalping, so I will scalp every movement. It's much with my strategy. Oh, the price breaks up. So I got my bias now. The price breaks up. So it's making up. So it also breaks the EMA, so there is volume around here. There is also movement. So let's see if I can. If the candle close like this, so the next candle may came to the halfway around 38% or 50%, then it will go up. Let's enter this again. So enter this trade. You know, I got my bias, so it's bullish. So I will wait for a few moments. Then this is my strategy, you know. My TP will be around here, but I will not wait till then. I will scalp if I saw one candle. Yes. When it goes a little bit up, wow, price good. But guys, don't look at numbers, okay? It's all about the position you open and lot size. Wow, so it's enough for me. It's enough. Yeah, it closed. This is how I scalped. This is how I scalp, no? So it breaks the trend line, then I got my bias. So I scalp that. No. So this is my next area. Maybe may take price, may take this trend line and go down, or if candle breaks this trend line, I will go bullish again. So patience is key. So let's wait.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
There is no volume, no. If there is no volume, I will not trade.
All because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies. Only you can make me move.
A few moments later, price became like this. So this trend line is a resistance area. This trend line, the black trend line, is resistance area. No? There's rally, then base, and there may be rally again. So we will wait. If you see, there are so many candles that aren't break that area, but Now the price breaks, the candle breaks the trend line, so I get bullish. But I entered too early. This may be wrong. I entered too early. My TP will be around here, but I will not wait to that TP. I like this thing, this trade, Forex, because I can do wherever I want. I'm in the middle of chaos, but I'm still working, So this is my projection area. Oh. If price goes down too much, I will close. I will chop, yes. But if price goes up, so I will take my profit. 10 months later again, this happened. In 5 minutes, there is EMA, so there may be possible. Price may react around there. So I will close my profit too early. Oh, price is reacting around there. So we all didn't know that how prices react. So guys, have you seen that the price reacted around EMA? It's reacting, So EMA is hard. So you have to feel EMA, So thank you for today. This is what I have made for you today. See you next week.